Nature, natural Brut. This is a dry wine in which no sweetener was added. When you make sparkling wines, what you do is you make yourself a still wine, and you age it in the bottle, and then at some point you pull the cork out of the bottle, pour sugar water in there, or something similar. Sometimes people use brandy. Put the cork back in, and that secondary fermentation is what makes the sparkling bubbles come out. Because it's happening under pressure, if you don't know the equation for fermentation, it's sugar plus yeast equals alcohol plus CO2. So you're now having the secondary fermentation happen inside the bottle, inside the cork, with no air being able to escape. The CO2 that comes out dissolves into the sparkling wine and makes it happen.
Because it already used up all the sugar, most of the sugar.
The first time around, exactly. You have to give it a dosage, exactly. The second hit. If you can make a sparkling wine without adding the dosage, it's called Brut Nature. Never seen that in the wild myself. The driest that you're normally going to commonly see is extra Brut, followed by Brut, followed by extra dry. So extra dry and extra Brut do not mean the same thing. Extra dry is sweeter than extra Brut. Next up is dry. Dry is actually kind of sweet. Dry has about twice as much sugar as Brut does. Then we have demi-sec or semi-secco or semi-sweet, and then de, sweet, or dolce being the sweetest. So when you see these terms in your labels, you know you might want a sparkling wine that's sweet, you might want a sparkling wine that's dry, and just knowing that is on the label, you don't have to memorize them. You can say, I'm going to go and get something that's dry, and go on the internet and see what that term would be on a wine bottle, and go and look for that particular label.